Welcome to take one part of your hair, make plaits out of those two parts, roll it upwards carefully and nicely, securing it with a bobby pin on every end. Take the loose end, roll it upwards and then insert it properly inside those rubber bands. You're done. See how good it looks. Take your hair, make it in the form of half ponytail, crisscross it, take the remaining part, do plaits out of that remaining part, secure it with a rubber band, roll it upwards with your favorite bobby pin. Take your hair, make it in the form of half ponytail, take one part, make it through the gap of that one part, take the remaining part again, make pigtails out of that remaining part, roll it upwards and then secure it properly. You are done. Take your hair and make a half ponytail. It should be high. Then take the two parts of that ponytail and make pigtails out of that ponytail. Give it a ribbony look by carefully putting it through the rubber band. Take the rest of the part and tie it in the form of pigtail along with the side sections of your hair. Take that pigtail and roll it upwards and secure it. Take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of lower ponytail, then take another part of your hair and just insert few sections of your hair in that pigtail, giving it a plaited look, just like this. You should be consistent and patient in doing so. It may take longer than expected, but you should be powerful and with full determination, you should follow the steps. When we are done, you should then roll it upwards just like this. See how good it looks. One part of your hair, make it in the form of half ponytail. Take the remaining part of your hair, secure it with a rubber band and then roll it upwards. How easy peasy it was. It gives you an elegant look as well. Take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, divide it into two, make one part in the plaits, take the remaining part, roll it through the upper part of the pigtail, secure it with a rubber band and then you're done. See how good it looks. Take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, put it through the gap, then take another part. Repeat the same process just like this. Secure it tightly. Thank you for watching.